a rooster, a cat, and a dog. This lady's got a lot going on. It's cool seeing a flock of birds, but not as cool when you're directly under the flock of birds.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I'm disgusted. Okay, well that was beautiful, but there is crap all over Mickey's skin and on me. And hold on, let me turn this off. Oh my god.
Hello folks, this is Funny Fails, and today I got a brand new video for you. I hope this video will brighten up your day and make you laugh. So let's get started.
I think that would be fun. Okay.
What's worse than salesmen at your door? Wild turkeys. Here's a great prank. All you need is a couple of chickens and a kid whose greatest fear is chickens.
Way superior. All right, we'll see you after Bible study.
Make sure to check out these other awesome funny fails. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.